Did you know that one ancient Egyptian pharaoh tried to completely erase another ruler from history? This is the incredible story of how Hatshepsut became one of Egypt's most powerful pharaohs, only to be forgotten for thousands of years. Around 3,500 years ago, Hatshepsut did something almost impossible. She was supposed to be a temporary ruler for her young stepson. Instead, she declared herself pharaoh and ruled Egypt for 22 years. She even wore a fake beard to look like a male ruler. Under her reign, Egypt became incredibly wealthy. She built amazing temples and sent trading expeditions to distant lands. Her people prospered like never before. But here's the shocking part. After she died, someone tried to destroy every trace of her existence. Her stepson, who finally became pharaoh, ordered workers to chip her name and image off every monument and temple wall. For over 3,000 years, the world forgot about this remarkable woman who had once ruled one of history's greatest empires. Only modern archaeologists finally uncovered her amazing story.